What is up, guys? Welcome back to the German Muscle channel. So in this video I am going to be painting my door handles. So as you guys can tell, they're really dry and they actually kind of faded a lot. So instead of taking the door handles off and painting them the right way, I'm going to do it the fast and easy way. So I got some Plasti Dip. For those of you that don't know, Plasti Dip is a peelable, easy to remove type stuff. That's all I can say. So I'm just going to spray it on. I actually just dropped this and it's going to be spraying out kind of weird, but anyways, I'm just going to spray it on the door. I don't care if it gets on their car, because I mean, for one, it just wipes off, and for two, they always park there and it's annoying as hell. So I'm not going to wipe anything down with alcohol, but you probably should, but not worry about it, because eventually I will be taking all this off, sanding it down, and then painting it the proper way. But this is just a temporary fix. So let's go ahead and get started. So just like I said, it's a peelable coat. So if you guys are wondering why I didn't mask it off, that's why, because I can just peel it right off. So don't be in the comments like, oh, he didn't mask anything off, oh, it's not going to come off. Dude, it comes off, trust me. Wouldn't say peelable if it's not peelable. So here's this one. Yeah, this thing's kind of upside down, so it's spraying up. Let that dry, and I'm going to go do the other side. Okay, so these ones ain't too bad because they weren't pointed at the sun or anything like that. I don't know what the heck that is, but anyways, if it gets on here, I can peel it right off. Let's do this one. This one's probably the best. Okay guys, so here it is about an hour later, and they're completely dry. I actually left and went somewhere, but they're completely dry. About to hit this up with another coat. As you can tell, it's kind of faded a little bit right there and on the tops. But I actually tried putting some paste on here to make it go back to black, but it didn't work. You could also use a heat gun to get that back to black, but I got Plasti Dip, so that's what I'm going to use. And right now it looks 1,000 times better. So I'm going to lay another coat on all four and show you guys what it looks like. By the way, follow me on Instagram at German_muscle_e38 and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. So I want to get the stuff out and finish painting. Okay guys, so that's basically where I'm going to end the video at. Still drying, but as you guys seen, once it dries, it's like a smooth matte color, and looks pretty awesome. So this will last a long time, as long as you don't have really long fingernails. Then it's not going to get caught on the inside and tear it up. But just be careful with it and you should be fine. So that's where I'm going to end this video at. I also plan on painting my wheels. I don't have enough Plasti Dip to do all four, but I'm just going to paint one wheel to see what it looks like. And it actually kind of looks like somebody already did that right there. But anyways, on the wheels, I'm actually going to clean those up. I'm going to take time to clean them up with alcohol and all that stuff, and then I'm going to paint them. So I'm only going to paint it just to see what it would look like blacked out. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So that's all I have for this one. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.